What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are finding ourselves on the coast side today, up in Marin Headlands. I just want to give a huge shout out to all of my subscribers. Shout out for you guys making this a reality. We're going to be doing a bunch more POVs. We're going to be bringing out the M a lot more often. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it. We're going to go a full POV through the coast. You guys see the sun slowly coming down. Sunset should be in about an hour or so. But if you guys are new to the channel, this is the BMW M4. It is basically full bolt-ons, lowered on BC coilovers. We have the GTS-CS clear vented hood, carbon front lip, which thankfully has not been obliterated just yet. Side skirts, carbon diffuser, and luminous tint you can't really see right now. But of course, the TE37's triple chromed build is basically up on the channel today. We're gonna be taking it out to the canyons or the coastline. I think right now is a good time because we haven't seen any cars. We'll see you guys shortly. We are off, you guys. So we got my brother behind the cameras right now. My GoPro died, but we're gonna try to give you guys the best POV action possible. Hope you guys are enjoying the view. Thankfully, there's no cars in front of us. We're making great time right now. One thing about these canyon drives or these coast drives is you always got to be one step ahead of the game. Got a quick S-turn, and you guys see a Prius up ahead. Hopefully we don't scare them. A ver, compa, let me hear that turbo. This boy. Don't get me wrong, I love the environment and everything, but when it comes to the spirited driving, man, like, come on, man. Now I'm restricting my Beamer, and I don't really bring it out that much. I'm just trying to go. Hopefully we find a quick passageway. Once we get back to the actual bridge viewpoint, that's what I'm looking forward to. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you. Always give a thumbs up or hands, but appreciate y'all. Now we can enjoy the view. Ooh, clean. Let's hear these turbos real quick. Yes. Music to my ears. Man, that view is amazing. If you guys are from the Bay, you guys know exactly where I'm at. If you guys are not from the Bay and you guys are tuning in, go down, hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of POVs. I'm gonna let you guys hear the turbos, feel the turbos, hit some downshifts, hit some S-curves. But most importantly, just enjoying the actual drive and the way these cars are meant to be driven. Man, never get tired of this. Photo shoot right here. Got some traffic up ahead. Thank you, Mazda. We got a Beamer up ahead. We cleared up some space up ahead. Gonna give you guys a quick pull. We passed over the minivan, currently on the decline, heading down. You guys can see the whole vantage point, the valley. This is basically the Marin Headlands. Okay, we basically down in the valley of the whole mountain. Quick pull. Okay, you guys, so unfortunately, I don't know if you guys are aware, but the route down to get the whole viewpoint from the Marin Headlands viewpoint is basically I've got to drive all the way around through a tunnel, then cut back in and come down. So we're gonna save that section for another video. What we're gonna do right now is basically take the M through the Golden Gate Bridge back to the city, and we'll do a POV from there, so that way you guys can see what it's like driving from here through the bridge back to the city, and we'll basically just end it over there. M is looking very, very nice right now. We are parked in the disabled spot just for this video. Hopping back on the 101, back home. Hopefully I get a good vantage point with these cars coming in, because you do gotta merge. Luckily we got no cars behind me. Thank you, Volvo. Now we're approaching the toll plazas. After the toll plazas, there's a set of tunnels. We're gonna give you guys a couple of pulls through those tunnels and basically just round down the video from there. Technically just touch down and back in San Francisco. It's a good thing there's no traffic right now. Everyone's probably heading home. It is a Sunday evening right now. We're gonna open ourselves up, take advantage of the lane. We're gonna pull over because I believe my lip is no longer intact, but we're gonna assess the damage. If it is gone, it was worth it, POV, but we're gonna pull over somewhere and assess the damage once we get out. All right, you guys, let's see exactly what damage we have for today. It was right when I stopped and tried to get a quick glimpse. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. I did lose a chunk right there, but overall it's still intact, so I guess you can say I'm in an okay mood. Luckily for this, I can just touch up the tape and kind of hide it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was a quick, simple video. If you guys do like POVs, drop that down in the comments. I'm gonna try to do a bunch more POVs and just drives, and overall that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, you guys, keep it authentic. Peace.